Hello everyone, welcome to TRT channel. Today we would like to introduce TRT all-in-one heat pump. This all-in-one heat pump is different from traditional all-in-one heat pump because traditional all-in-one heat pump, usually they are um, built in a heat exchanger inside of a water tank or wrapped water tank. But this one we are doing is different. It is a water cycle heat pump. Just like we just combine a water cycle heat pump plus a water tank. We just combine them together and let it mix, let it look more beautiful and more compact and easy to install. So when you get this all-in-one heat pump, you can install water inlet, water outlet. That's easy. No more installation. So very easy. So this one, it is 250 liters, and the heat pump is heating capacity is 5 kilowatts. It's a very compact size. I will come out and you'll see how small it is. Yeah, very compact size, and 250 liters. Okay, very compact size. And this we are using set discharge fan, so you can install it anywhere. So waterproof level is very high. You can install outdoor or anywhere. Okay, and also because of this design, so the working noise is very low, very quiet. Okay, you see the metal, the color, the water tank case and the heat pump case, their color is mixed very similar, so looks more beautiful. Okay. Okay. Later we will open the case and let you see the inside. What is it inside? Okay. So see you later.